The data for day 9 consists of a list of instructions for moving the head of a snake. We read these moves into a list. We keep track of the position of the snake's head and tail. We use numpy arrays, since that will simplify operations later. We also define a dictionary to turn directional characters to coordinate deltas. For each movement of the snake's head, we compute the difference between the head and the tail. If they are no longer touching, then we move the tail in the direction of the head. We keep track of the set of positions the tail has been in. And the answer to part 1 is the number of unique tail positions after following all the instructions. In part 2, the snake grows to 10 units long. We change our representation to a list of the segments in the snake. Now, in our loop, we do the same check, but for each pair of segments in the snake's body. We keep track of the positions occupied by the tip of the snake's tail. And that gives us the answer to part 2.